Some may wonder how to turn off location on Life360 without anyone knowing to stop parents from tracking your phone. Okay, this complete guide shows you how to stop location tracking on this app and several techniques. Part 1. How to turn off location on Life360 without anyone knowing. Hot tips. Tip 1. Turn off circle location on Life360 directly. Tip 2. Stop location services on your phone. Tip 3. Stop precise location for Life360. Tip 4. Remove the Life360 account. Tip 5. Disable Life360 location with burner phone. Tip 6. Use low data mode. Tip 7. Turn on airplane mode. Part 3. Best way to stop Life360 from tracking your location. Fake location. Beyond the above, Life360 users can also disable location on the app by changing the real GPS as their desire. Virtual location tool serves as a great utility to simulate location without being detected. How to stop location tracking on Life360 by spoofing GPS with virtual location tool. Step 1. Run the program and get started. Step 2. Link your device to your computer. Step 3. Get into teleport mode. Step 4. Stop Life360 location by changing GPS immediately.